Spray tack on a separate microfiber that you'll only use for edges throughout the cleaning process. Wipe down all edges, getting behind the panel as much as you can. Wrap your microfiber in a squeegee to get better access if needed. Spray slip solution across the panel and go over it with your squeegee to get rid of any last-minute debris. Once you run it over with your squeegee, spray more slip solution across the panel. To lay down the film, we're going to do the reverse roll method. It helps to keep about 4 inches dry, so it'll stick better when you start the reverse roll. Peel the corner of the PPF off the backing paper, place it on the dry area, then peel as you roll the piece out. Protect the bottom as you roll, so it doesn't fall. This does not have to be a perfect fit right now. You're just placing it in the general area. Now that that's laid, go back and spray slip underneath and on top of the film, making sure it's moving easily. Align the top corner first, focusing on the notches on the top and bottom. There should be no steel showing. Squeegee that area down about 5 inches both ways. Make sure the front area is moving easily. Move the PPF in place, aligning right to the bottom edge. This part won't fold over, so make sure the end doesn't have excess. Check the top and bottom, making sure the notches are aligned and the overhang is even. Squeegee that down. Run your fingers over the middle of those 2 tack points, making sure the overhang is even on top and bottom. Hold it in place as you squeegee it down. Do a double take, spraying slip and squeegeeing the same way you just did. Don't fold over any edges yet. Do the same for the right side, aligning the edge first. Squeegee that and tackle the middle. Do a double take. Then, spray tack in the edges and squeegee to flush out the water and seal them. Remember that you're not folding over the edges until the very end, so just squeegee to the edge, making sure there are no bubbles. Wipe down with a microfiber and inspect to make sure that there's no bubbles or misalignments. Now is the time to fix those if you have any.